Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to make fish fry. So fish fry is any type of fish you like. I'm using sea bass. Kingfish is very popular, but you can go for anything you want. So we've got some fish steaks. We're going to put some lovely spices on it, fry it. So easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to get started today straight in with our fish. Now you could be using any fish that you want. I'm using a sea bass, cut into steaks like that. So there's a center bone there. Kingfish is very popular with this, but you can use any fish you want actually. Like you can see I've got my gloves on. We're going to get some salt in there. We're going to get in these spices. So I've got 1 teaspoon of cumin and 2 of chili and turmeric. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice, that's up to you. I've got some sunflower oil here. You can use like a corn or canola or something. That's going to kind of get it all together. And then here I've got garlic ginger paste. Now there's 2 tablespoons there of garlic ginger paste. And the reason I've got my gloves on is because we're going to go straight in and we're going to mix this around. Now ideally, you want to put this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, but you can, if you want, go straight to the cooker. I'm going to pop mine in the fridge for an hour or 2. And that's it. And then simply we're going to fry this off. It is absolutely wonderful. So frying pan or skillet, whatever you call that. And I've added just a little touch more oil, not a lot, because remember we've got oil on the fish already. In they go. We're going to cook these on a medium heat. Don't have the heat too high. And for this thickness, which you can see there, we're going to go like 4 minutes aside. Really, really simple and really, really beautiful. Just one more piece, in it goes. Now look, we've got a little bit of that marination. I'm going to be adding that. And you can add it up to 50% of the way. Like after 50% of the way, don't add it because you've got raw fish in there. So I'll be adding it, within the first 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to be turning them quite a lot. Okay, so flip that a few times. It's absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. A bit more lemon juice. On that goes just at the end. And then that's ready to serve. Okay, so absolutely beautiful. As you can see, put that on a plate with some tomatoes. We've got some fresh cilantro here, or coriander. And also, I like to add lots of fresh green chili, which can be grabbed as you're eating it. Now I like to have mine with bread, not with rice, but you can certainly have it with that way. Wonderful stuff. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.